is super important and no doubt something you're very, very keen to understand. Now, this slide is just going to be a high-level view of how this course is going to work, okay? So if you don't understand everything, or you're getting a little bit confused, or perhaps wondering what the details are, it's all going to become clear as you go through the rest of the course. But let's just take a look, just to give you a very broad understanding. So the first thing we're going to do is create a website. And on this course, we're going to do that with Shopify, which is a very simple point and click, very, very powerful system if you've not used it before. And what we're then going to do is we're going to display products from Amazon. Okay, don't worry too much about the details of that at the moment. Just know that we're going to take some products. We're not going to buy products from Amazon. We're simply going to be showing products from Amazon on our website. Okay. Now, once we've got that on our website, and this is the really important part, we are going to provide all kinds of fantastic added value about that product and other products, which will also add to the site. And the reason why we're going to do that is because when somebody comes along, okay, here's my guy coming to the site, when they come along, we want them to be super impressed with our product reviews, with the amazing value that we've added to the site. So, you know, this thing here is a little Fitbit, as you probably figured out. We want them to really understand, you know, how that works. What are its pros and cons? How does it price compare with perhaps others? And maybe all kinds of other stuff, you know, how-tos, how to get fit using the Fitbit. All kinds of really cool things on your site, which are really going to wow your customer. It's going to be super, super impressed. To the point that he thinks, I will buy this, okay? And he's going to click on that on your website and be taken to Amazon, okay? This is the first time, so he arrives on Amazon, and we all know Amazon, and that's where he's going to make his purchase, on Amazon, okay? Not on your site. He will be buying it from Amazon. Now, when he buys it from Amazon, Amazon will then ship the product straight to him. This is my arrow going from here to here, right? Back to this person that first started. And then Amazon will pay you a commission for your hard work, all right? So if he buys a product for $200 or whatever it might be, you will get paid a commission on that product that that person has bought. And that is how you're going to make your money. Now, let's have a look at the advantages, because they are massive. First of all, you never need to hold any stock. Secondly, you benefit from the Amazon brand. You know, that's one of the big problems with starting up a whole new, brand new site that nobody's ever heard of. People worry about potentially buying from unknown brands, but here they're buying from Amazon, a super well-known brand, if not the most well-known brand, perhaps in the world. And Amazon deals with everything. As I said, they buy from Amazon directly. Amazon will ship. If there are any customer issues, Amazon will talk to them about that. You don't get involved at all. Which basically, as far as I'm concerned, probably makes it the lowest risk e-commerce model out there. So there you go. I hope that gives you a really good high-level view of what this is all about. If you're a little confused, rewind this slide, this lecture, and go through it again. But as I say, don't get too bogged down. Don't worry if you don't understand absolutely everything. As long as you grasp the basic principles, you are good to go. So in the next slide, let's crack on with making those first steps with step number 1, creating the website.